Hey guys, it's Hillary and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded a new video, but I really miss you guys and I hope you're all doing well during this time. I'm sure we're all feeling all sorts of emotions right now, anxious, nervous, and scared. It's a difficult time, but I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves and your loved ones as best as you possibly can. If you ever need someone to chat with, I recently opened up a new Instagram page at Hunnie Bunnie. Please feel free to come talk to me about anything, literally anything one-on-one through DMs. I'm currently looking forward to making new friends, and helping you all and just us all in general throughout this time. And I plan to make my Instagram as fun and lighthearted as possible as we get through this. Or if you're not on Instagram, the comment section will always be open up to you guys. So if you need a place to chat, I'm here for you, just strike up a conversation, and I really want to hear how you guys are feeling right now. So with that being said, I plan with the time we have together now to make some new content. If you guys have any comments, suggestions on what kind of DIY videos you want to see, let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you all stay tuned for that. Once again guys, I hope you remember we're all in this together and you're not alone. Let's try to stay positive, and I hope to hear an update from all you guys very soon. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, love you all.